Ladies and gentlemen, hello. All of you are welcome. Turkey, also described in this video, you will see the traditional tarhana made each year. Materials, preparation, drying stage in the sun, how to store it, and you will watch this mixture become soft. Materials needed: 4 kilograms of onions, 2 kilograms chickpeas, pressure cooker, 3 kilograms of tomatoes, 5 kilograms of red peppers, 3 kilograms of filtered solid yogurt, 3 liters of milk. Yeast, 250 grams of salt, 20 kilograms of sifted wheat flour, chickpeas are soaked with cold water and left for one night. Adjust the amount of chickpeas with skulls and let cool water. Drain and wash the water of chickpea, moisten it for one night. Add chickpeas to the pressure cooker. We don't have a large saucepan and therefore we will cook the ingredients in 4 pots. Wash the onions and add the chickpeas. Add 2 liters of boiling water. Set the saucepan cooking program and boil for more than 1 hour. Chickpeas and onions are in the cooking stage and other preparations. Wash and slice the tomatoes. Wash red peppers. Remove and slice the seeds of red peppers. Add tomatoes to the bottom of the pan. Add red pepper on top of sliced tomatoes and cook. Control the chickpeas and onions cooked in the pressurized pot. Total 4 pots this way will be our material. Doctors in Turkey are suggesting that this soap for probiotics. This mixture is recommended because it is very useful for children. Prepare sifted flour in 20 kilograms. Chop the cooked peppers and tomatoes with a mixer.
Dün doldurduğum bir iş. Yok. Seher'inki. Haftaya.
Needed to filter vegetables. Using a blender can achieve a more streamlined consistency. Filter the mixture and dry the pepper and make the natural powdered pepper. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to all who supported me. Add tomatoes and onions to a large and deep pot. Add boiled chickpeas and onions. Yeast can be added into warm milk. Add salt. A dough to be obtained by adding flour. Add flour. Add strained yogurt. Add milk and mix completely. 2 large mixing bowls will be required because the material is too. A non-flight dough was obtained and the pulp rest overnight. Fermented dough will be swollen and overflow in the morning. Is now ready to dry tarhana pulp in the sun. Prepare a clean cloth to spread the dough in the sun. If you use black cloth, sunlight more effectively. Add flour on cloth. Divide the dough into equal pieces with the help of the spoon and lay it on the sun. It will be better to work 4 people to this work. Sun-dried doughs will continue to rise with effect of yeast. You can see how the dough swells in 5 hours. Ensure that the swollen dough gets air. Flip the other side of the dough after 6 hours. Shrink the dough a little more on the second day and speed up drying. On the third day, the dough are completely dried and milled in the mill. According to the condition of the air, it will be more completely dry and ready in 3 or 4 days. There is a special machine in the flour mill in my city. Tarhana is milled into a flour with this machine. "25 kilograms of material is ground in 2 minutes and ready to make soap. Can be stored in glass jars after powdering. Materials needed to make 2 bowls of tarana soap, 2 spoons tarhana, 2 bowls of cold water, blender, deep mixing bowl, liquid sunflower oil and butter. Spice red chili peppers, dried mint, black pepper and salt. 1 grated tomato. Add 1 bowl of water to the pot and boil. Add 2 spoons powdered tarana to the mixing bowl. Add cold water and mix. One tomato grate. Add liquid sunflower oil. Add the grated tomato. Wait for the water to boil. You can make this soap by frying tomato paste in oil. Add butter to the pan. Tomato water after boiling for 5 minutes and then add tarhana. Boil for 15 minutes. Add red powdered pepper and mint to the fried butter. Tarhana soup ready to serve after boiling well enough. Serve by adding hot butter on top. We have come to end of the detailed video description prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. Goodbye again for a new recipe video.